Hello and welcome back to another video on our channel How to Guide. In this guide video, I'm going to show you how you can purchase your Netflix gift card. If this sounds helpful, watch this video till the end. And don't forget to subscribe to our channel and turn on the notifications to never miss any upcoming upload. Firstly, open up a web browser of your choice. Then in the search bar, type in amazon.com. As soon as you do that, the official website of Amazon will open. Now from here, in the search bar of Amazon, you can type Netflix gift cards email delivery. What this will do is show you the options of Netflix gift cards which is delivered to you via email. It will be a electronic gift card rather than a plastic gift card. Now choose whichever one you like. You can select the design. Next, you can either choose an amount or enter your custom amount. For now, I'm going to choose $25. Now enter in your email address. Also enter in your name. If you want, you can also type a message. Now choose the quantity of gift cards you want to purchase. Then add the date you want it to be delivered. This delivery date can be up to a year from the day you purchase it. Now if you're done, click on add to cart. Then click on proceed to checkout. From here you can enter in your card details and you will be easily able to purchase your Netflix gift cards which will be delivered to your email address. So that's how easily you can purchase Netflix gift cards from amazon.com. I hope you guys liked this video. If you did, don't forget to give us a thumbs up. We upload similar videos like this of how to do things on the internet. So be sure to get notifications so you don't miss any of our videos. That's it for this video and I'll see you in the next one.